Yo, what is up, guys? I'm gonna be making a beat today. Yeah, hopefully it turns out to be good. It's definitely gonna be good. I wanna use something that was sent to me. Let's just use whatever we find. I think I can make something trappy with this one, like dark trap. So this one I wanna cut somehow and do it like this. Let's just make it. mm, let's make it fade. Then let's make this one unique as well. Make this unique also. Then what are these now? What I'm gonna do is just, nope, not that. Put these here and then duplicate. I mean, route them to track only. Is the mic on? Yeah. Route only. Should name this melody. Okay, let's add something. What can I add? Let me add arcade. So like that. Okay, I like that. Then the replace. Okay. Then add. Let's add something else. What can I add? I want something a little bit brazy, something like a brass or some shit like that. I don't know. Or maybe a voice. Nah, let's go with some orchestral stuff because we already have strings, so it makes sense to go with. Let's try something with that. I like that. From then on, we're gonna go to the thingy, the drums. Boom. Now I don't want to save it yet, so now let's arrange the melody. As you can see, I already arranged the thing, and now I'm just gonna name it. Let's name it Dusty. Dusty, and call it a little baby. The reason I'm naming it Dust, the little baby type of beat, is so that I remember the beat. Because if I just name it Dusty, it's gonna be a problem for me to find what kind of beat that I'm looking for at the time that I'm maybe trying to send it out and stuff like that. I just want simple drums, but I want them to also hit hard. So how are we gonna do that? Maybe something that hits in the mid and also the lows. So I think it could be a snare. Layer it with this percussion. You see, guys, like you just have to know what you need, especially when you're trying to fill out frequencies. So you have to layer sounds. I feel like it's too slow. No. So let's just do 47. Before doing 47, let's go to tools and then switch all and stretch. Then okay. I don't really like the 808, so let me change that. so long to save is because I still have arcade in here. My bad. Delete. How I reversed thingy, just reverse it here and then play with this. Which one? Yeah, this one. Start offset. So if I copy this and just place it here. Right, so I'm just gonna pen it here, pen it here. And I also want this one, just take it down and then pen it not like this, just for some variation. Also take this one down and maybe do a difference here with some pitch. Nice. So basically I'm done with the beat, but I could add some open hair. Or the reason I'm copying the 808 is because I want the open head to hit where the 808 hits. But fuck. It hits. Now I don't want to do just split these and cut and then just clone this here and copy these here. And basically we have the beat is complete, just some little bit of arranging. So how do I arrange my beats? Normally what I do, the first 4 bars is just the melody, here, and then here I can introduce the snare and maybe the hi-hat as well. Yes, let's just introduce the hi-hat as well, and here we introduce everything.